हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जे एजुकेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे स्कोप ऑफ डूइंग एमबीए इन मार्केटिंग। आई हैव ऑलरेडी अपलोडेड वीडियोस रिलेटेड टू स्कोप ऑफ डूइंग एमबीए इन फाइनेंस एंड एचआर फील्ड, and I have also uploaded videos related to benefits of doing MBA, then course details about MBA degree, and top 7 MBA entrance exams in India. So if you missed up with that videos, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description, or else you can also click on this I button. Okay, so now in this particular video, we will talk about what is MBA in marketing, for which type of students it is more suitable, what you will learn in MBA marketing, eligibility criteria, top MBA marketing colleges in India. Then we will also see career opportunities in MBA marketing. And yes, very most important thing, in the ending of video, 2 MBA marketing aspirants have shared their live reviews, and they talked about why they have selected MBA and also marketing as a specialization. So please hear them very carefully and also watch my video till end. Okay, so now let's begin with what is marketing. अगर कोई भी कंपनी है या तो फिर ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, उनको अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को बेचने के लिए कस्टमर्स चाहिए, राइट? एंड कस्टमर्स कैन बिल्ड अप विद द हेल्प ऑफ मार्केटिंग ओनली. Like through marketing, you can explain your product to the customers, and through which customers can have an idea about your product details, its usefulness, etc. काफ़ी सारे लोगों के माइंड में एक कन्फ्यूजन है कि मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स बोथ आर सेम और नॉट. सो लेट मी क्लियर योर कन्फ्यूजन इन दिस वीडियो. वी कैनॉट से दैट मार्केटिंग एंड सेल्स बोथ आर सेम. देयर इज अ लिटिल डिफरेंस बिटवीन दैम. Like sales is all about product selling, and marketing includes product selling plus market research, market analysis, making different campaign, pricing strategy, etc. Alright, now let's talk about what is MBA in marketing. See, MBA in sales and marketing is one of the oldest discipline in management, and it provides multiple job opportunities to the students in market. Every organization, whether it is national or international, it requires marketing team for their brand activity, including promotion, advertisement, sales, media, entertainment. Today, a new branch of marketing called online and digital marketing is become trending for the new age of students, as companies are using social media for their brand promotion. So this has also increased scope of doing MBA in marketing. Alright, so this is all about what is marketing. Now let's talk about for which type of students it is more suitable. Like आप में ऐसे कौन कौन से skills होनी चाहिए to be MBA marketing students. See, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक introvert person हो, like आप लोगों से अच्छी तरीके से बातचीत कर सकते हो, प्लस आपकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी हो, देन इफ़ यू रियली थिंक कि आप कंज्यूमर्स के नीड्स को अच्छी तरीके से एनालिसिस कर सकते हो, एंड कंज्यूमर्स के प्रेफरेंस अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप प्रोडक्ट को मार्केट में ला सकते हो विद एडिंग इनोवेटिव एंड क्रिएटिव आइडियाज, प्लस इफ़ यू हैव अ कैपेबिलिटी टू कन्विंस योर कस्टमर फॉर परचेसिंग योर प्रोडक्ट ओनली, then trust me, marketing is best field for you. Next is which type of subjects you will learn in MBA marketing. See, we all know that MBA is a 2 years program. In the first year of MBA, you need to learn each and every concept from different field. And when you enter into second year of MBA, at that time, you need to select one specialization. So, if you have selected marketing as a specialization, then you will learn marketing management, advertising and sales promotion, consumer behavior, international marketing, then rural marketing, strategic marketing, pricing management, retail management, sales and distribution management, etc. Okay. Now let's talk about eligibility criteria. See, you should have completed your graduation with minimum 50% marks from any stream. Plus, you have to clear one MBA entrance exam for getting admission in MBA Marketing. I have already uploaded video related to top 7 MBA entrance exams in India, so you can go and watch it. Next is best colleges for MBA Marketing, and the list includes IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, IIM Kolkata, FMS Delhi, XLRI, SP Jain Mumbai, NMIMS Mumbai and JBIMS Mumbai etc. इसके अलावा भी काफ़ी सारी कॉलेजेस है, सो यू कैन गो विद दैट ऑल्सो. इट इज़ टोटली अप टू यू. Now, at last, let's see career opportunities in MBA Marketing. See, after completing MBA in Marketing, you can placed in industries such as retail, banking, hospital, media, IT, IT-enabled services and FMCG, free-moving consumer goods, etc. Now, if we talk about job profile, then as a fresher, you have to start with sales only. And slowly and gradually, when you gain experience, then you will become marketing manager, brand manager, product manager, marketing research analyst, media planner. Then you can also be internet marketing manager, business development manager, area sales manager, etc. Alright? Okay guys, so here I am done with scope of doing MBA in marketing. Now let's hear live reviews of 2 MBA marketing aspirants as they talked about why they have selected MBA and reason behind selecting marketing as a specialization. Also they have shared their corporate experience. So please hear them very carefully.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are keeping well. So today you all are on that phase once I have faced this phase. That why MBA? What career options are available? Which field I should opt for? Right? So what is an MBA? MBA is all about the entrepreneurship and developing your social and professional contacts. Whether it is the finance, marketing, HR, international business or any other field of marketing, but strong network is help us to reach out our potential. Then for considering anyone who is considering as a marketing as a career option, I would tell them the one word motivator is success. So does it mean that success only lies in marketing? No, it doesn't mean that. But yes, without marketing, it is difficult to get success. Let me tell you some taglines like just do it. The taste of India. Have a break, have a Kit Kat. Neither I said the brand name nor a company name, nothing else. But still it is being reminded of something. Yes. Then marketing has done its job. So this way marketing leads the business. This way marketing leads the business growth. Marketing leads the business success. Marketing helps business to reach out their potential customer. Marketing helps us sustain the relationship with customer. It is the guiding hand. So it is all about the how marketing helps the business. What about the individual growth? Why individuals should opt for marketing? So there are many wide range areas that marketing allow us. Like first one is it will allow you to be creative. Second one is it will allow you to be in touch with the real market world forces and social trends rather than those dry theories. It will give you the wide range of opportunities to improve your skills, to develop your new skills, right? So in this way, marketing is the core input for the business as well as for the individual growth. Marketing is needed to each and every type of businesses, like whether it is the proprietorship, partnership firm, joint venture or anything else. Whether it is the small size, mid size or large size company, marketing is there because without telling, nothing selling, right? So marketing is, as I said, it is the core input for the businesses, as well as it is the core input for the individual growth. So as a whole, I would just like to say that instead of interrupting, work on attracting.
Hello everyone. I hope you are being safe and healthy. So once you are opted for an MBA program, in the second year you have to opt for the major subject. There are various subjects that you can opt for, but you have to select one of the foremost subject. But I have selected marketing as a major subject. You guys were thinking that why I selected marketing as a major subject, because there were various reasons for selecting a marketing subject as a core one, because in that I can do the research part in the better way. I can know what is the perception of the customer, what the people think while buying the product. So all the things I know that how I can do and how I can well manage. Okay, so then again I'm just thinking that what type of the product can be suitable for the market. Most of the people think that. So that is also the one thing that a marketing manager or a marketing guy can offer the better one. And the sales is also the main important thing, right? So the sales work came. So I just want to tell my past experience and what other people thinks about the sales. Yes, sales. Marketing is one type of the sales work only. No, I will say a big no for that. Marketing is not a sales work, but it is a sales is a pipeline of a marketing subject, right? A sales is totally different than marketing, and marketing is different. Most of the people are thinking that if you opt for the marketing subject, then you have to do the sales only. I will say a big no. No. If you will go for the better college or a well-known college and you have to do the marketing from that, you have done the marketing, you can get a best placement opportunity, just a best placement opportunity. Because marketing, right, in marketing what you can do, there are many things you can do in marketing. So a brand management, product quality, how the product quality can be launched, how the supply chain management, what type of new features can be added, what type of advertisement can be done, so the most of the people can be attracted, right? And there are various lots of things the marketing can be done. Marketing is just a vast field. It's just a vast field. Whatever you are thinking, you can just put an image in front of the audience and the product can be sold. What type of marketing can be done through the social media analytics, so through product testing and all. There are lots and lots of things. Now we are coming on the sales part. Sales is the major thing. Sales is the major thing in the organization or a company, because through that and only that the whole organization runs, and through that only profit profit of the business or an organization comes through the sales only. So if we will remove the sales part from the organization, then the company will be very hard to sustain in the market, right? So we can never neglect that part in the whole marketing. Yes. So if you are thinking that I can do a greater sales and after that I can well manage everything in marketing like product design, brand management, then you can of course go for that. Yeah. So I will just advise you, you can go for the marketing if you like to do the market research, because most of the time you have to be in the market. Then what are the competitors doing, right? You have to keep a deep knowledge. You have to keep a deep knowledge in the competition, in the competitors, right? Because there are lots and lots of competitors in the market, and they just are going on and off in the market. So you have to take care. And I just want to say, if you have chosen the marketing subject, you can go ahead and you are not think beyond that you can go and achieve a greater success in your life. Be safe and stay healthy. Now the time will come, everything will be okay. Okay.
Okay, so thank you so much, two of you, for sharing such a great experience to my viewers. And here I am done with my today's video. In the next video, we will see scope of doing MBA in entrepreneurship. For that, you need to subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon so that you will receive notification at first. See you in my next video. Till goodbye. Keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you.